Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I will show how to flash LG X145. This phone logo unhang and also restore problem. This phone has MT6572. First of all, you need to open SP Play Store for flashing. To SP Play Store on running. After open SP Play Store, also scatter, click on scatter loading. I am also do scatter loading. After the scatter file are loading, please, if you are new on my channel, please also subscribe, like, share and also comments to help another brothers. The file are loading to SP Play Store. In this mobile CPU are MTK CPU. The flash file are loading, waiting. Also, before flashing, untick preload file and show in the video. Also untick and then start on download. After download, both volume and down button pressing and insert the cable. The mobile are successfully flashed and your problem are solved. Thank you for watching.